hard knock life episode again. Oh no, we got no control of him. Range 28 rims, the kid's all shining. He can't find it, he keeps grinding. It's a hard knock life out here. There be young kids on the streets with guns out here. Jesus walks with me, so I have no fear. Test me every day before you even move, you be scared. Don't get me mad, I don't wanna have to clap. I got the Mac, plus I put a price on your back. To my dope boys on the block, died in crap. I promise you, if you roll through this one, you're bound to get jacked. My life, my struggle, my pain, my hustle, my life, my struggle, my pain, my hustle, my life, my struggle, my pain, my hustle, my life, my hustle, my pain, my struggle. I was rolling past GPS in the Lex with my red smoking Orange Hill sets. We were heading over west. Some say we're the last of the best, like crack in the flesh. Shit. 2 phones, conversations on both lines. Music to my ears, my business is doing fine for real. Time is money, you can't buy time. That's why your boy stay out in his grind for real. Some say I'm the real talker, Norwood, but my way out came back, and now it's all good. Yeah, and